last time we could not make this. Our plan was to go underneath this small bridge. Because of the construction, it will face a lot of interference. But today, guess who's going to do it? This guy, Anton. And Anton with his Mavic Pro, we are going to try this today. Legally, we are flying this totally legally because we are not going over the bridge. We are going underneath the bridge. As you can see, it's a cemented construction. There is no way we can get any sort of signal.
Plus water.
And then there is water also. So how are we going to do this?
I'll just gotta do it.
You gonna do it?
No plan.
No plan.
Fly in, fly under, fly above.
So you heard the plan. So that was the plan, basically, to fly in and out in like maybe 10 seconds and get a quick shot of the river and save it for later. So my drone was on the top trying to catch his drone and get a footage of how he performed and all that stuff. But watch what happens. So he goes under the bridge. He doesn't know I've readjusted. So kind of my fault. And I literally passed out of me. You saw that? It was literally like in both of our views. You could see that it literally passed each other. Now, what happened actually? Let's slow down the footage and let's check it out. So we'll slow down the footage, but I was on the top right now. You can see. So he actually went down the bridge and he lost transmission. And so we knew that we will lose transmission, but then fortunately we had on our regular mode, not a sport mode. That's the reason. Watch how close it came, and the sensors actually of both of our Mavic Pros actually adjusted and we missed it. Now let's reverse this back again, and you will see that's how close it was. To be very frank, I'll show you my angle also right now. I never thought that it will come so close. Now let's check my angle. So he knew that his left zone will be free. So he was coming in hot through the left. But I had adjusted or gone to slightly to the left just because to get a perfect shot of his drone. Now I was shooting at 96 FPS. This is as slow as it gets. But dang, that was so close. I just didn't have enough space to move away. So the funny thing is that the obstacle avoidance sensors actually worked and allowed us or prevented us from getting crashing with each other. And you'll be seeing like that jerky movement. That's what happens when the obstacle avoidance tried to avoid each other. You'll see in the other footage also. Now you thought that the story ends out here. No. Guess what? We forgot the footage in the drone field after the practice and everything. We were so excited. I thought that I will transfer the footage, and I literally left on the chair. Now the story continues. Watch this. Guys, me and Tech 5, we have lost our footage of the crash. This is a very, very dark area right now, and we are going to try to find our SD card that we left in the drone field. This is a park which is middle of nowhere, kind of, and there are wild coyotes at night, so we are not at all recommended to go and find that park.
Half a mile walk into the park because the gate is closed.
Okay, so gonna be pretty sketch.
And we're gonna pull over.
Yeah, because a lot of shit happens out here also. Whew. Okay guys, I just don't know where to begin from because I lost the footage. Good thing is that Anton from Tech 5, he has the footage, but the thing is that we were, yeah, it's because now we have, you guys want to see what we have to deal with? Hold on a second. This is what we have to deal with. It's pitch dark, we cannot see anything, and we have to find a micro SD card right now.
Show them where the coyotes live right
so
there.
that's the place where we are not recommended to go because the coyotes are out there. Oh my god, I just don't believe this. For savings, we have got a tripod. If anything happens, we are going to use our tripod. Oh, Jesus Christ. Already, guys. We are almost there. We're totally scared right now. I cannot even autofocus right now. We're gonna look for a memory card. We left it in the table out here somewhere. Oh.
You're on 2 tables. Check this one.
No, it's not here.
Okay, let's go to the other one then.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, there
right
it is.
Let's
Okay,
get the
guys.
hell out of here.
We found the footage. Now we'll go out of here. Sorry, guys. We cannot vlog for a long time. It's too scary out here. Okay, guys. The coyotes are howling already. Oh my God. We need to be fast out of here. We need to get out of here. Okay, guys. We saved this. We came for this tiny little memory card that shot the footage of 2 Mavic Pros crashing with each other and going underneath. Oh dang, we were scared as hell. It was dark. We only had iPhone lights to work with, and that's all we had. So guys, if you like this is the footage of everything and why we did this. Now let's go and watch the footage of why we went crazy and came back at 1:30 in the morning just to find the memory card that we left in the drone field.